The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Multiplication of Double-Digit Numbers. Example, 49 multiplied by 51. In multiplication, one should not look at the magnitude of the number and say that it is going to be complicated in abacus. There are numbers of lower digits which may involve complex operations such as adjustment between the columns and within the columns, etc. However, there are bigger numbers that may not involve complicated multiplication procedures, and let us demonstrate this with the problem 49 multiplied by 51. Let us set the multiplier in the extreme left of the abacus. As the multiplier has two digits, the multiplicand 51 also has two digits, and now we have to add one column for abacus operations, and therefore the number 51 should be set from the 10,000s column from the right side of the abacus. That is, we have to set the number 5 in the 10,000s column, and the 1 should follow it in the thousands column. Now let us start the multiplication process. As we start multiplication with the lower digit of the multiplicand with the highest digit of the multiplier, let us start the multiplication of 1 with the 4 first. The result is 4, a single digit number that should be treated as 04, and therefore 0 should be set in the hundreds column and 4 in the tens column. The second multiplication is of the number 1 with 9, which is 9. As we treat 9 as 09, then 0 should be added in the tens column and 9 should be added in the units column. We can note that no complicated multiplication process is involved so far, and everything is straightforward. Now let us clear 1 from the abacus and start multiplication of 5 with the 49. Now 5 and 4, when we multiply, it gives 20, which should be set to the immediate right of the number 5. That is 2 in the thousands column and 0 in the hundreds column. This is also a straight process. The next multiplication is 5 and 9, that is 45, of which 4 should be added in the hundreds column and 5 in the tens column. Here also there is no complication involved in setting the number. Now we can clear the number 5 of the multiplicand from the abacus. All the 4 multiplications and setting the numbers in the corresponding columns were straightforward, though the number 49 and 51 are bigger than the numbers like 28 and 39. In such cases, the multiplication process involves slightly complicated process. That is why we should not be carried away by the magnitude of the number, assuming that the multiplication process would be complicated. This example is a clear case of simple multiplication process of bigger numbers than that of smaller numbers.